You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in English. If you want to learn how to pronounce actual names of various hues, different variants, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. British English pronunciation, how to pronounce colors, colors. In American English, the US pronunciation is as colors, colors. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.